Have you ever felt tired or lost when you learn about something new? And in case if you are feeling that way and you find this video, then you are in the right track, guys. Yes, in this video, I'll share you the specific tool that can help us to learn about something more efficient and also more easier. So let's get into the tutorial, and the tool that I will use over here is the Gemini AI. Maybe you have already know about this AI that can help a lot of tasks, and also let's say create a video or create the copywriting or maybe create a picture, the simple picture. Yes, it has a lot of feature over here. But did you know that this tool named the Help Me Learn is kind of the underrated tool that actually can help you to learn about something specific and more efficient, guys, rather than give the treatment to the prompt like act like the teacher that you have already experienced for 5 years. So you can actually easily do this simple step, that is click this help me learn, and you can start to ask this Gemini help you to learn about something. The first thing that you can do with this the help me learn tool in this Gemini is you can create your own curriculum. And for example, guys, in today I'd like to learn about the let's say let's learn about the Web3. How about that? And for example, I will download the material from this Cambridge University Press and Assessment. Thank you, Cambridge, and let me use this file to help me learn more about this Web3, and you can simply download it. And for example, I will drag this material to this section, help me learn, activate it. And after that, I will ask the Gemini to create me the curriculum or the roadmap how to learn about this Web3 from the scratch, and also make it easier to understand. Hi Gemini, I will show you the let me type the prompt first, and I will show you what request that I put into this prompt. So this is the simple prompt that I asked to this Gemini, particularly this tool helped me learn to get me or create me the roadmap or the curriculum based on this material, guys. And you can also adjust the mode. Since I have not purchased the package yet, so I might do or choose this thinking, because for the pro, I guess you should activate the package first into the Google AI Plus. For example, I will click this, and since already activated, then generate it. Let's see. So guys, by using the combination of the help me learn tool and also the thinking, so this Gemini will start to do the deep research and also will give you the deeper explanation, and also it got me a little bit more comprehensive. So this is the result that we got over here. Let's explore the Web3 together. I'll get you the true question, and this is the result. As you can see that these are the roadmap path, the explore web evolution, and also the technical engine, how the blockchain and smart contract create a trustless environment without the middleman, and also the user ecosystem, and also the practical tool, the app token, and how different network to talk to each other. And also this will give you the question like this: which of these starting points most interesting you? You can start to, for example, start the learning by choosing, or you can also click these sources. Okay, the next thing that you can do with this help me learn from this Gemini AI is to simplify the concept. Since I give you the example that is Web3 is quite complicated, and for the beginner like me still need the a simple and also the analogy to make it more understandable. So I will ask this Gemini to help me. I will type the prompt over here first. For example, like this, guys. Since I want to learn the Web3 from the basic, I prefer to learn every single path over here. I want to learn about this all, and I want that this Gemini or this help me learn tool to simplify the concept in it. So I start to submit it, and let's see the result. So after waiting for maybe 1 minute, so this help me learn tool had me the every single explanation of this path of this Web3. And even they give me the picture or the diagram like this. Isn't that cool, right? Oh, even when you click this, they will give you the overview and also the explanation. Oh, this is the website. And by the way, this is the the for evolution of the Web3. That is Web 2. And when you click this software, for example, this will give you the emphasize, this is the explanation of this one. Or means that the Web 2 has the parts like the website, data, software, application, browser, wikis, and links. Like this. Isn't that cool, right? And this is the first path, that is web evolution, and also the technical engine. Let's see. This is the picture and also the explanation. Ooh, is that cool, right? And I hope that this picture will help you too to learn about something more specific about something or about another subject, guys. And the third one that you can learn from this help me learn is you can do the interactive quiz. So because when you do the quiz, it will help you actually to memorize about something more effectively. And don't worry about making mistake because this AI still can be also your personal teacher and won't judge you anyway in case you made mistake. For example, make me the quiz. I will give you the prompt over here. Kindly wait. For example, like this, guys. Make me the quiz to understand about these three paths and also give the correction for every questions. Let's see. And by the way, guys, in case if you are not subscribing or don't subscribe the Google into the AI Plus like this or the Pro version, so maybe using the so based on the experience, I'm sorry, using this thinking mode, that will give you the limit, guys. So in case if you would like to use it for free, then you need to change the mode to be fast because thinking have the limitation. So this is the question. Oh, isn't that cool, right? It's kind of the multiple choice. Make the internet faster. Which one? Which is the correct? And for example, I'd like to choose the B. And let's see the result. Ooh, I got the right answer, bro. Okay. So you can start to use this the help me learn to from this Gemini AI to help you learn more deeper and also more interactive. And also it got me your effective way to learn about something, guys. And this is the second question. And as you can see here that you've reached your thinking model limit, guys. So in case if you'd like to continue it, so you can start to go to the fast. But in case if you still want to have the thinking mode, So you need to wait for until this the time that this AI will reset the mode. That is, it's gonna be tomorrow on this time. And the last one is by using this Help Me Learn AI, you can also do the discussion or two-way discussion, because in case if you learn from book, they're actually really good, guys. They're really, really good. And I still want to suggest you to keep reading book, guys. But in case if you find the difficulties since the book has the a bit complicated terms or the concept, that this Gemini AI that can be the complementary for you to understand more deeper about the specific subject, guys. And you don't also have to worry, let's say if you don't understand about something, and if you're feeling lost after you read the book about something or about specific subject, then you can ask this Gemini to help you to understand more. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this Help Me Learn from this Gemini AI, and I hope this video also helpful for you. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.